Hello everyone, my name is Jeenasree Borthakur. I have completed my BTech from SRM University, Chennai. After some months, I have decided to go for QA, so I came to Bangalore and joined QSpiders BTM. So after joining, at first it was quite difficult for me because I don't know exactly about the QA role. So after that, with time passing and gradually they taught us everything, like from scratch they taught us, and each and every class was very meaningful, like starting from SQL, then manual, then Java, and then programming classes, automation. And yes, I will definitely say each and every mentors are very good and highly skilled. They helped us in each and every small doubts. Like if I will ask any doubt, they are always ready. Not even in the during the class hours, but yes, at the night also. Every time when I do call them. So yes, it's a very meaningful place for me as I got a job. So that's all about me. Thank you.